Salty is the native governance and utility token for the Salty Seagulls Society, a collection of 7,777 NFTs divided into 11 colonies on the Cardano blockchain. With a thriving community in the CNFT space, the Society has massive potential to grow into one of the most recognizable projects out there. The total supply of Salty is capped at 777,777,777. Salty will be distributed over time to the team and the community, with an allocation already vested towards their DAO and DeFi liquidity. How to get Salty? Stake your NFTs to be rewarded with Salty tokens every epoch based on colony modifiers. Holders of elite and mythical NFTs will receive a boost towards their token accumulation. Join the Salty Seagulls Society Discord to stand a chance at receiving giveaways of Salty. Use dexes like MuesliSwap and MinSwap to swap your ADA for Salty. Salty Utility. NFT and Salty holders will be able to participate in proposal staking and voting, with many other utility use cases in the flight plan that include breeding of NFTs, an ADA stake pool, and participating in games to win ADA and Salty whilst interacting with the community. If you want to learn more about the Salty Seagulls Society and Salty, check out the links in the description and get ready to take flight.